The Gocheer Airbrush Kit AB-1234 offers a significant performance boost with its high-pressure spray flow, making it ideal for a variety of applications from art painting to makeup. This airbrush kit features a 3-gear adjustable air pressure system, allowing users to easily switch between 25, 30, and 40 pounds per square inch for optimal results. With its dual-action design, the airbrush gun provides precise control over fluid and air, minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency in your artistic endeavors. Suitable for both beginners and experts, this airbrush kit is versatile and easy to master, perfect for various creative projects such as miniature painting and cake decoration. The non-clogging spray gun, along with adjustable nozzles, ensures smooth and advanced performance, allowing for detailed and precise artwork. Complete with an array of accessories, including a cleaning kit and various nozzles, the Gocheer Airbrush Kit caters to all your airbrushing needs with reliability and ease.